500 drones, dazzling patriotic images above the Tennessee River, spectacular 1,000-foot waterfall of fireworks poured from the historic Market Street Bridge. Join us as we experience one of the most spectacular 4th of July celebrations Tennessee has ever seen. It was nearly sunset when we finally rolled into downtown Chattanooga, and honestly, we thought we were way too late. After all, this was America's 250th birthday celebration and the largest drone show ever held in Chattanooga.
Yes, with 500 drones.
We expected traffic jams, overflowing parking lots, and standing room only crowds. Instead, what a surprise!
There was still plenty of free downtown parking, and even better, some incredible seats were still waiting right along the Tennessee River.
Sometimes the best adventures begin when things don't go the way you expect.
As darkness settled over the riverfront, the excitement continued to build. Police boats, fire rescue crews, and wildlife officers carefully cleared the water, making sure everything was ready for what was about to happen. You could feel the anticipation growing with every passing minute.
Then, the countdown begins.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
liftoff. The crew of Artemis 2 now bound for the moon. Humanity's next great voyage begins.
Good, roll pitch. Roger, roll pitch.
Incredible finale capped Chattanooga's United 250 celebration, bringing thousands of people together to celebrate America's 250th birthday with music, technology, patriotism, and family fun. It wasn't just the largest drone show in Chattanooga's history. It was a night we'll never forget. YouTube already picked your next adventure right here. This was one of our most fun adventures yet, and we think you're going to love it. Until then, thanks for traveling with us, and we'll see you on the next adventure. So click in now.